Hi, welcome to part 2. We're going to go ahead and finish up 2 examples. We're going to determine whether or not this line is tangent. Okay, so we're going to have to use the converse to the Pythagorean theorem to determine if this is a right angle. Okay, so we don't know if it is. We're going to say this 12 is this entire length. So 12 is the hypotenuse. Now this is a question mark. We don't know if that is true. And let's go ahead and grab a calculator and see if this works. 12 squared is 144. Is that equal? 4.5 squared is 20.25 plus 100. Now, when you add these two together, you get 120.25, which, as you guys can tell, they are not equal. So I'm going to put a big slash through there. So, is it tangent? No, it is not tangent. And the reason we know is because it is not a right angle, because we know that because of the Pythagorean theorem inverse. Now, this is something I want to make sure you guys understand. We're doing Pythagorean theorem converse again, but it's a weird algebra situation. Now, according to the corollary to the definition of a circle, all radii are the same measure. Okay, so we're going to assume this is a right angle. It doesn't tell us to check it. That looks like a point of contact of the tangent and the radius. This is the confusing part. This becomes x plus 1. Okay, not just x. Now, let's do the converse to the Pythagorean again. X plus 1, square it, equals the leg, which is x, plus the other leg, which is 3, and we square those. So the x plus 1 squared, that's the confusing part. Because you have to remember back to algebra. That really means x plus 1 times x plus 1. How do you do that? Well, your teacher might have taught you a Punnett square. So you multiply this out. X squared, x, and 1. So this is what you end up with. X plus x, you guys know, is 2x. That's a plus. So that's one way of getting it. Yes, you can FOIL, if you remember foiling, like the first, the outer, the inner, and the last. However you do it, you need to multiply the 2 out. A common mistake, though, this is a mistake. You cannot take this power and just go boom, boom. If you say it's x squared plus 1 squared, that is wrong, okay? This is wrong because there's a middle term, and you get that by the Punnett square or by foiling. Okay, so we know this answer, right? It's right here. I'm just going to bring it up to save room. This is x squared plus 2x plus 1. Now, this looks really gross, but look what happens. This is nice. If you subtract x squared to the other side, you notice they cancel away. Awesome. Now, so 2x plus 1 equals 9. Now it's easy to solve. 2x is 8. Divide both sides by 2. X is 4. Ta-da! Okay, so be careful. Make sure you multiply this out correctly. And there's a couple of these on your homework. And that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.